The student is backing by himself. Slowly. Slow. Slow. You're doing good. Good. It's not straight yet. You have to go straight one more time. It's not straight yet. Good job. Follow the steps. Take it to P, then go straight. Go one more time. Try it one more time. Just go straight and try to back up, okay? Very good. Take your time, take your time. Very good. Take your time. It will be better now. Back up. Very good. Reverse gear. Release the brake. Try to angle your car. Perfect. Straight. Don't move your steering. That's the perfect way. Good. Slowly. Keep on coming. Look at the rear view mirror. Very good. Once I say this, stop. A bit more. Stop. Stop. Put it on P. Very good.